Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest $1,000 wisely, follow these step-by-step instructions to make the most of your money and start building wealth. Step 1. Ensure you have a basic emergency fund covering at least 1 month of expenses before investing. This prevents you from having to sell investments at a loss to cover unexpected costs. Step 2. Pay off any high-interest debt, especially credit cards charging more than 15% interest. The guaranteed return from eliminating this debt typically exceeds what you'd earn from investments. Step 3. Open a brokerage account with a reputable company that offers commission-free trading and low account minimums. Many platforms now allow you to start investing with no minimum deposit requirements. Step 4. Consider investing in a low-cost index fund that tracks the overall market. These funds provide instant diversification across hundreds of companies and have historically delivered solid long-term returns. Step 5. Set up automatic monthly contributions, even if small, to take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Regular investing helps smooth out market volatility and builds the discipline of consistent saving. Step 6. Resist the urge to constantly check your investment or panic sell during market downturns. Stay focused on your long-term goals and remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Step 7. Educate yourself about investing basics through books, podcasts, and reputable financial websites to make increasingly informed decisions over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.